Welcome to the tutorial of the Gini Raid bot, your powerful assistant to grow your community and attract potential members. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the auto raid function for your Telegram group using the Gini Raid bot. Firstly, the auto raid function is a great way to increase exposure for your project effortlessly. It scans Twitter for tweets from influential figures and provides group members with the ability to raid them. To set up the auto raid feature for your Telegram group, firstly, invite the bot to your community and give it admin's permissions. Then you need to direct message the Gini Raid bot by typing /start. Now select the group you want to enable the raid feature in. Please note that only non-anonymous admins of the group will be able to enable this function or change any of Gini Raid bot settings. The group or channel you want to auto raid on should now be displayed here. Click on the group you want to enable the auto raid feature on. Next, to be able to use the bot, you have to input a referral code. You can use someone else's referral code or, optionally, purchase it for 0.1 Ethereum. The person who owns the code will receive 2.5% of every raid sacrifices from all the groups using the code, forever. When you have placed a referral code, your access has been activated, and then click on the Create Raids button. From the Raids menu, select the Buyback address button. To get the auto raid function up and running, you need to provide your token's contract address, which will be used to buy back your tokens of your project, and as well as set the buyback amount in crypto you will be sacrificing for your raid. This amount will be used to buy back and burn your tokens and reward the winners, so make sure to set it accordingly in the setting. Next, set the percentage of how many tokens you would like to burn from the sacrificed amount. Now, set the goal of how many raids have to be done by your community. This is the amount of replies which have to be posted by raiders to finalize the raid and payout winners. Set the amount of winners, whom the remaining sacrifice will be split between. Choose your raid interval of when each new raid target user will be updated and automatically notified by a message in your community group or channel. Note that raiders can only do a one raid per target user. Additionally, you can set the maximum age of the target user's post. Now select and choose the payout type. This lets you choose how you want to distribute the earnings from the raid. Please enter the payout type you would like to use below. Enter one for auto transfer, which means that you as the owner will pay most of the gas fee when the raid is finished, and everyone will receive their payouts automatically. Alternatively, enter 2 for manual claim. This means that you as the owner will pay less in gas fee, but the raiders will have to manually claim their balances from the website and pay the gas fee themselves. It's important to consider which option is best for your raid and communicate it clearly to your raiders. Next, you have to add the valid automatic hashtags or cash tags. When someone uses the AI raid feature, Gini Raid bot will generate a unique show message every time and randomly use few hashtags or cash tags from the list you enter here. For example, you can enter hashtag crypto, hashtag AI, and cash tag of your token. Next step is to choose and enter the targeting method, either based on hashtags or usernames. For example, let's enter hashtag crypto, hashtag AirC20, hashtag AI. This will optimizing the choosing of targeted post based on your entered list. Now you have to add the project description. Note, make this as accurate as possible, as the AI reply generator will need to learn from the given text to generate related tweets for raiders. Additionally, you can choose the funding method to determine how the initial funding for the raid will be handled. If you choose 1 for group funding, your group will collectively be able to deposit funds for the raid to start. Whenever the sacrifice amount is met, the raid will automatically start. Alternatively, if you choose 2 for admin funding, you as an admin will start the raid manually by depositing the sacrifice amount ahead of time. In our case, we will choose admin funding method. Now press the Start Raid button and click the link, which will direct you to the raid page dashboard. Here you can see the main dashboard for the raiders to interact with, as well the admin tools which are only visible for you. All that's left to do is click Start Raid and Pay, which will deposit the balance to the smart contract and automatically initiate and start the raid. Gini Raidbot will notify your community every time a new user's tweets has been selected, giving raiders the opportunity to raid again and attract attention to your project. With these two ways to interact, the AI reply and the manual reply, Gini Raidbot provides flexibility for group members. The AI-generated text can save your community time and effort, making it easy to reply and participate in the conversation, while the manual reply allows for more personalized interaction. Auto-raid notifications are automatically deleted every time after a new target has been updated to keep your group chat clean and prevent clutter. If you have any questions, you can join the official Telegram group and ask your question there. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to set up the auto-raid function for your Telegram group using the Gini Raid bot.